We made the mistake of not bringing the silver screen with us, and this is the amount of condensation we're having every morning at the moment. Luckily, we've got this bad boy. Good morning, guys. So last night we stayed in the van. As we said, we ended up doing loads of admin. I'd edited 2 videos, so hopefully you enjoy those. This morning we've managed to get onto a campsite last minute in Amsterdam, and I'll be honest, Amsterdam very nearly didn't happen for us. Stu's been looking all night and he's managed to get a reply this morning from one of the campsites to say yes, there is space available. So we've literally just booked on for 3 days. We were like, take no risks, take no chances, just book it on for a little bit longer and we can explore the city properly. People have said to us that it's quite easy to get around. We just need to get hold of a tram ticket, and then that will allow us to basically go on all the trams, all the buses and public transport in the area for 2 to 3 days, depending on how much you spend on that ticket. I think it's around 20 euros, but I'll have to double check the cost. Stu's having his coffee in bed at the minute, and then we're going to get ready to hit the road. The motorhome is in an absolute state. He's refusing to let me make the bed, so I think that's why he's leaving it to the last minute to get out of it, because usually when he gets up I'll chuck everything away and we'll have a lounge, but his attitude today was, what's the point? We're going to go into Amsterdam, you're not going to have time to even be in the van, so just leave it made up and then when we get back we can just crash. So yeah, fine, whatever. I'm going to go get him up. So we've got about 36 miles to get to Amsterdam, so under an hour, and Stu saved the day by finding us a campsite, as I just said. Speaking of campsites, the one we stayed on last night in Rotterdam, really rowdy. Fireworks are going off to like 2 AM. There was loads of noise on there.
To be fair, the campsite itself really peaceful,
yeah.
But you are in the middle of the city, you know, so if you want that easy access into a city, you're gonna get that extra bit of noise. It wasn't too bad. We've been in worse, but it was up there.
It was up there, yeah. We both had broken sleep last night, didn't we?
Yeah.
So fingers crossed now this next one isn't going to be as noisy, but we'll see. It's Amsterdam. We're going to go and have fun. So we've made it to Amsterdam, and some of the buildings here, from what we've seen so far, are just absolutely brilliant. None of them are straight. We're going to be stopping off at Gasper's camping, so we will need to sort out the public transport links. We're going to get onto that in a second, and we can update you on how much all that cost. In fact, I better move this van because I'm blocking the road. So there's the campsite. He's already gone to check us in, so I'm going to go and move the van. I'm blocking the entrance. Let's hope I don't crash this thing. It's been a while. But to be fair, I think they've got the barrier up for me, look. Oh! Don't hit anything, Charles. Woo! That was snug.
If you hit anything, you will read it.
Oh, I'll be sorry. I'll definitely be sorry. Did you appreciate me moving the van for you though, love? Because I mean, you know, it was one hell of a walk to outside, wasn't it?
Yes, it was.
You might need to check the van, make sure there's no lumps and bumps though.
Yeah.
So this is our pitch for the next 3 days, and bargain, we're right next to the shower block, which is awesome. There's nothing worse having like a shower and then getting drenched on the way back after you're clean, so I'm happy with that, being right next door to that. There's some rubbish bins just opposite us as well, so yeah, I'm going to be quite happy here. Oh, and another thing, tram tickets. We didn't have to go on a massive hunt for them. They gave us some when we were booking in to reception, so that was good. I'm just going to get the kids ready. I think we're going to head into Amsterdam. We're just going to go check out some shopping today. I do need to book on to some of the things that I've talked about I want to go and visit, so I'm going to book onto those this evening because we've got a couple of days, so I'm not going to panic today in the hope that we can go back in. Well, we're going to go back in tomorrow. We're going to go back in the next day after that as well. So yeah, Stu's just sorting out the motorhome, putting us on electric and everything, and yeah, we're going to head off. That's it, we're heading into Amsterdam. We got our tram tickets, we're going for it.
let's hope we don't get lost. So we're about 7 miles out from the centre, but there's a transport link that takes you straight in on the train. So we bought the 3-day tickets for us all, so we can travel as much as we like. I think that's in the country, isn't it? For those tickets.
Not sure, to be honest with you. How much were they?
They were about 20 quid or 20 euros for the adults, and the kids were $4.50 a day.
Oh, there we are. Well, it is what it is. It's still cheaper than an Uber or a taxi in and out.
Yeah, exactly. So it's just a 3-minute walk to the train station, and that's going to take us all the way into the central.
Happy with that, babe?
Let's go. Love you, love. Right there.
He's there.
Literally, there's one right there, look.
And there.
Oh, yeah. Tree full of parakeets.
Oh, yeah, there's loads of them.
I can't see.
Yeah, because they're green. They're blending in with the leaves, bless
Oh, I
them.
see
We
him.
got a trade to catch. Guys, come on. Good spot, Deck.
Thank you.
So this is a train station or metro station. There's a sign right outside the campsite to show you which direction to go in. You keep walking for about 3 minutes and you stumble across this. Gasper Place. Got your tickets ready?
I will do.
Can I go through?
Ah, contactless, so it should be quite easy.
Dexter. Go, go, go. Emilia. Oliver. Babe.
Thanks.
Let's go.
Let's go. Number 53 by any chance?
Yes.
Straight in front of us.
Yeah.
Don't run by the train station edge. Well, it says here it takes a train. It says
Central station.
Central Station. I couldn't get my words out of my face then.
Go on then. On you get. This way.
Yeah, let's go. The back is apparently more fun.
See? Well, we've made it into Amsterdam Central Station. Praying we've taken the right turn, because when we were in Paris we ended up on a train for like 40 minutes. So it's underground, so yeah, we're going to need to figure out our way to get out and get exploring.
There's elevators.
Did you enjoy that?
There is elevators. I just saw back there. So upstairs there. So, wait. I think I do it straighter than Dexter. If you're in doubt, follow the crowd out.
Okay, so we just got out the train station and we're heading where? Amsterdam Central. Ooh, that's a big building. That's what it said. That's very big.
This is cool, just look at this. Canal tour over there.
Wow.
How cool is this? Central Station.
Where'd you go from here?
I know.
Let's go nose.
We thought Rotterdam was busy, love.
This is busy, I love it.
Trams, bikes, shops, the lot.
Yeah, you thought Rotterdam was big, and you thought Rotterdam had a lot of bikers. There's a lot of bikers in Amsterdam.
That's right. It's a little bit strange though, isn't it, seeing stuff that we know is banned at home just being flaunted.
Yeah.
It's really strange. So Stu has found his North Face shop. Fingers crossed he comes out with what he likes. He's happy, he's got one.
Yes. So you may or may not have noticed, I collect these t-shirts because they got coordinates. So I try and get one in every place we go to.
Hey!
I got an Amsterdam one.
Go on, love.
Yes.
I got a spoon, fork and a knife.
That's really cool. So like a multi-tool for eating.
Yeah, I'm going to keep this.
That's wicked, that is, guys. So I've literally dragged everyone out of Amsterdam town centre, or city centre, to the skinny bridge. It's supposed to be iconic, so we figured we better walk down and have a good look at it. It's taken us about 10-15 minutes to get here. It's not a skinny bridge though, which is really weird. Have a look at this.
Interesting bridge.
It is interesting. Look at this. There we are. That's it. Bet you have got some lush views of all the boats, look. And all the canal trips. So we're outside Ripley's, believe it or not, in Amsterdam, and Emilia saw this, started singing.
I'm Jake the pig, deedle, 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 dum. With my extra leg, deedle, 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 dum. Wherever I go through him, I'm still the people always let me know.
So we've got an appointment at 5, we're waiting around a little bit, and Stu's treated the kiddies to some waffles. Look at these.
I got the Smarties.
Delish. Nice. So I think we're going to mooch around the shops a little bit more. We've got about an hour, and then we're going to head back. So we've got 2 full days to burn then after this.
Yeah, and it's starting to get dark, and we all know what happens when it gets dark in Amsterdam.
Yeah.
It's not a place for the kids.
No. I've just been totally spoilt in Amsterdam, and to be honest with you, I've had really bad feet. I've been wearing these boots for a few weeks, and they've just given me really, really horrible feet, and we're doing a lot of walking around and stuff. So I just went into a shop, and Stu was like, pick whatever shoes you want. So I got these. How cute do they look?
1, 2, look at my shoes.
So comfy. Literally so chuffed to them.
And they match mine.
They do match yours.
Just different colour.
Yeah, it's just mine is shiny and yours is not.
Yeah. Thanks, babe.
Right, you're welcome.
Babe, have you ever seen such a massive queue for chips before?
No, but you know they gotta be good, right?
Well, yeah. I mean, this queue has been like this all day. So we've decided to wait in it and see what it's about. But yeah, apparently voted #1 Holland fries. Gotta try those out, haven't we, love? So I got special curry in mine, and it's like onions mixed with sweet and sour sauce. It's really nice, different but nice. What are yours like?
Cheesy sauce.
Is it nice?
Yum.
We went to try and book some local attractions like the ice bar. Unfortunately, it's not allowed for under 18s, so we went to a local bar and had a pint of Heineken. And why wouldn't you, as it's been brewed here since 1864 by Mr. Heineken himself. Had a mooch around the local sweet shop, spent a small fortune, and the children came out happy. There's definitely more to Amsterdam than red lights and crazy cakes. We absolutely adored the architecture, the structural buildings, and the canals were just stunning. After a good look around, we headed back to the motorhome for the evening. And this is where our trip ended.
Good morning.
So yeah, we've woken up in Calais this morning, so it's not really what we had planned.
No, we're a good few days early, but long story short, last night we were in Amsterdam, and this morning we've woken up in Calais. So about 9:30 last night I had a call from family, and my mum had some really bad news. She was in hospital.
So yeah, we didn't want to take any risks. We've come back early. We want to make sure obviously that she's okay. And yeah, I mean, we've noticed that Netherlands and Belgium are not actually that far away, are they?
No, I mean, Amsterdam to here was 3.5 hours. So, you know, if it's an area you want to explore, it is so easily within reach. It's actually closer for us to go from Calais to Amsterdam than it was for us to go from the house to Dover.
Yeah, it's crazy when you think about it, isn't it?
Yeah.
I mean, it didn't feel like that when we were driving last night, and it was dark and...
No, but it was also very late.
Quick,
yeah, it was. It was all right. It was okay.
So we're going to go and get ourselves booked on to either the Eurotunnel or ferry. We haven't decided yet because we haven't even looked, have we?
No, we've no longer got up. We're going to go hit the wine store because why not?
Why not?
Why not? And then yeah, well, I think when we're over there in the car park we'll have a look, yeah?
Yeah, I think so. It's probably the best thing to do, isn't it?
So, sorry to end it so abruptly.
Yeah, but obviously family comes first, and
yes, it does.
You know, we've got to get back and make sure everyone's all right. So until next time, guys.
We'll see you in a bit.